guys, how are you? Are you fine? Oh, right. Well, today I am recording this video in a totally different place. I am inside the garage. Can you see? Why are you there, teacher? Because today we're going to make a work of art using natural stuff, elements from nature, and I just got outside to collect them. What are the materials that we will need? We will need paper, a sheet of paper, it can be any color you want, natural stuff, elements from nature, and a piece of contact. Be sure that the sizes match. The contact must be a little bit smaller than your paper. Okay, so how we're going to do that? We're going to take this white part here. Can you see? Throw it away and place your contact onto paper. Let me show you. The stick part up, okay? Now, we're going to assemble a landscape by placing the leaves, the flowers. We're gonna make a pretty work of art. When you're done, I'm done here, take the sheet of paper and put onto the plate, covering every part. Press gently. Then you will get your work of art made with natural stuff. Look at mine. Did you like the result? Yes? So pretty, isn't it? But I'm sure you can do better. Of course you can. I want to see how you did it. What elements you collected, okay? So share the results with me, send me a picture of your job. I hope you like this activity and see you soon. Kisses, bye bye!